Musamseleku's wives Mayeni, Makhumalo and Mangwabe, there is no need to blame Macele. Why Macele she accept Makwela as the wife number 5? They have an agreement for not accepting another wife as Musamseleku's wives. Musamseleku had a promise with Mangwabe that Mangwabe she is going to be the last wife. Musamseleku had a promise with Macele that he want to have Istanbul polygamy because he want to have 20 kids. Macele allow Musamseleku to marry other wives because she can't give him those 20 kids. So Macele can fulfill Mangwabe's promise. Macele have got her own marriage with her husband Musamseleku. Mangwabe have her own marriage. Mayeni have her own marriage. So Makhumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabe, there is no need to blame Macele why she accept Makwela as the wife number 5. Macele, she is doing the same thing she did to them. Maybe they think they are special or what. That's why you see Mangwabe, she is very disappointed. Makhumalo, she is disappointed to Macele. Why Macele accept Makwela? Because they are coming from the same place in Muzumbe. Musamseleku and Makhumalo, they promise each other that he can't marry another woman who came from the same place. So why Macele she accept Makwela? Macele she can't be involved in their promises because at that time when they promised each other, Mangwabe, Makhumalo and Mayeni, they are being promised with their husband with lies. Musamseleku was the one who lied to them, but he didn't fulfill their promises. Even to Macele, Musamseleku until now, he didn't fulfill Macele's promise. But Macele, she is playing her role, their agreement with her husband Musamseleku. Mayeni and Mangwabe, especially Mayeni, she wants to control everyone, that Musamseleku can't accept another wife. So on season 2, Macele, she was pretending to tolerate it, but on season 5, season 6, Macele starting changing her own mind, and she knows that if she keep tolerating those wives, Musamseleku is not going anywhere with that polygamy. Like the way he did, Macele supporting Musamseleku for accepting them. Musamseleku was complaining last time about Makhumalo, that why Makhumalo doesn't want to accept Makwela, because the way Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni, the way they did is the way Macele she did. But Macele was being told by Musamseleku that what you did is wrong, you have to accept them. Now they are telling Macele to do Macele the first wife. I think that Macele want to show them that who is the first wife, because Musamseleku now it looks like he is being controlled by those last wife Mangwabe, Mayeni and Makhumalo. He forgot their promises because there is no need to control Musamseleku, especially Mayeni. Mayeni came as Musamseleku's third wife. She knows what she is doing, that Musamseleku is a polygamist. Musamseleku didn't promise Mayeni that Mayeni should be the last wife. So I don't think that the way they are blaming Macele is playing her role. If Musamseleku bring a wife and say this is the 60th wife, Macele have to accept the way she is being told by her husband that he want to have Istanbul. So there is no need to blame Macele. Or maybe people, they think maybe Macele was on that. Guys, Macele was very shocked that Musamseleku was announcing about the wife number 5, what, you understand? Macele but decide to accept because they had a conversation together with Macele. Musamseleku, the mistake what he did last time, that's why those wives, they want to control Musamseleku. He had a meeting with Mayeni, Mangwabe, Makhumalo, the 4 of them, and say he want to marry the wife number 5. That's why all the times they was not succeed. Mayeni was not allowing that. But if Musamseleku all the time he had a conversation with Macele only without involving other wives, I think maybe Musamseleku was being married to Makwela long time on season 2 or season 3. But he was delaying because of his wives. They don't want the wife number 5. They had an agreement, the two of them, with Maqele. He saw that when he continued begging them, he is not going to take the wife number 5.